Hi, hope you're all very good. Today I'll take you with me near Cutty Sark station, which is nestled in the heart of Greenwich and is a getaway to a world of historic charm and contemporary appeal. From here, you can also see the Canary Wharf skyline. The River Thames, which flows nearby, adds up to the beauty. During the day, the sunlight makes the buildings look colorful and interesting. It's a peaceful moment in the busy city of London. This place is named after the iconic clipper ship that rests nearby. This bustling transport hub embodies the spirit of adventure and exploration that defines the area. The Cutty Sark is a majestic clipper ship which stands as a timeless icon of maritime history and adventure. Resting proudly along the banks of the River Thames, this elegant vessel embodies the spirit of exploration and discovery that has captured imaginations for generations. She is a magnificent symbol of maritime history. She casts a majestic feature against the London skyline. Its graceful lines and towering masts evoke a sense of timeless elegance and adventure, beckoning admirers to embark on a voyage through history. As the world's last surviving tea clipper, the Cutty Sark stands as a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of a bygone era. When you approach the ship, you will be immediately struck by its breathtaking beauty and meticulous preservation. Its gleaming copper hull, polished to a radiant shine, reflects the sunlight in a dazzling display of maritime splendor. Whether viewed from afar or explored up close, this legendary ship shows a sense of magic and a mystery that continues to captivate all who encounter it. As a living testament to the golden age of sail, the Cutty Sark remains a symbol of beauty and fascination, inviting visitors to embark on a voyage of discovery through the maritime history. It's a feeling that lingers long after you have disembarked, leaving you with a newfound appreciation for the beauty and grandeur of this magnificent vessel. If you share my passion for everything nautical, then you are in for a treat. Dive into the captivating world of ships with me by subscribing to my channel. From majestic tall ships to modern marvels of engineering, I'll bring you cool and informative videos that explore all things ship related. Whether you're fascinated by the history and heritage of iconic vessels like the Cutty Sark or eager to learn about the latest innovations in ship design and technology, my channel has something for everyone. Get ready to embark on a voyage of discovery as we uncover the stories behind some of the world's most famous ships and delve into the fascinating world of maritime exploration. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of a ship-loving community. Hit that subscribe button and let's set sail together into a sea of adventure and discovery. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.